The headlines scream about interest rates. The gurus, they push their latest formulas. Your neighbor brags about their rental empire. Now, is it possible that they're missing the bigger picture? Real estate investing isn't about timing markets. It's about understanding the 4 dimensions of property wealth. The first dimension is cash flow science. A $500,000 property isn't a $500,000 investment. It's a series of mathematical advantages working together. So for example, 20% down unlocks 100% of asset appreciation. Now, tenants pay down your mortgage and the IRS hands you a depreciation deductions. In addition to that, inflation grows your rents naturally. Now think about that for a moment. What other investment allows you to control $500,000 with $100,000? You have someone else pay off your debt. You get additional tax breaks for ownership, as well as build in automatic inflation protection. And in the last few years, that would really come in handy, wouldn't it? Now, the second dimension is the velocity of your money. Here's where it gets interesting. A 1031 exchange isn't just about deferring taxes. It's about keeping your money moving at full strength. Traditional investors see it backwards. They sell property A, pay taxes, then buy property B with what's left. Strategic investors think a little bit differently. They move from property A to property B at full power, using 1031 exchanges to maintain that momentum. Now, the difference over 20 years, often hundreds of thousands in preserved wealth. The third dimension is time leverage. Property isn't just about monthly cash flow. It's about time-weighted returns. Think of it this way. Year 1 to 5, the rent covers your costs. Years 6 to 10, positive cash flow grows. Year 11 to 15, significant equity builds in your home. And year 15 plus, maximum wealth potential. Now, the real magic happens when you understand that properties don't just appreciate. They appreciate on your tenant's dime. Now, the fourth dimension to consider is tax mathematics. Here's what changes everything. Real estate tax advantage aren't just deductions. They're wealth accelerators, meaning depreciation shields your income, the 1031 exchanges preserve your capital, refinancing pulls out tax-free cash, and cost segregation multiplies benefits. Now, success isn't about timing market cycles, finding perfect properties, or becoming a maintenance expert. It's about understanding the math, maximizing those advantages, and maintaining momentum. Now, what are your thoughts on this? Please share your perspective or questions in the comments below.